So guys, we are going to be starting out on blow dried stretched hair. I do like to have it blow dried and stretched whenever I do my mini braids because it's just easier than having it wet and shrunken and having to go through all those tangles and knots. So I go ahead and part it in the back, and I try to make sure that my part is as straight as I can get it. But we're not going to show you how long I struggled to get that part. So then I go ahead and part a square to get started on my first mini braid. And some of the products that I'll be using is my Cantu Shea Butter Super Shine Hair Silk, my Fantasia IC Hair Polisher Styling Gel, and my Bella Curls Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner. So I go ahead and take a little bit and put it on my finger, and I just put a little bit of that on my hair just to give it some shine, and it does give it a little bit of moisture just so it doesn't look so dry. And I take a little bit of my gel, and I use this mainly for my roots to make sure I'm gripping it really well and getting all the extra little stray hairs that try to fly away. And it just helps to keep it really nice and neat. Then I go ahead and get started on my first braid. So whenever I get to the ends of my braid, I go ahead and put a little bit of my leave-in conditioner just so that the ends are not so dry, and it also helps the ends to curl up on their own. Eventually they will curl up. And then I go ahead and get started on my next braid, and I just repeat this process throughout my entire head. Of course, we won't be showing you the entire head because it did take about, I would say, 8 hours if I did it all in one day, but it did take 2 days to do this hairstyle. So make sure that if you're planning on doing mini twists at any time, that you have something to keep your mind busy, whether it's your favorite TV show or a book or something, because this hairstyle takes so long. However, this is a really good protective hairstyle. You don't really have to do much once you have them in. You can create some cute hairstyles, which I will be showing you very soon with your mini braids. But if you want, you could just throw it in a ponytail and go about your day. I have actually been rocking mini twists and mini braids for about 1.5 years, and I have gained about 6.5 inches, I would say, of hair by doing this style. It really does protect your ends and help you to maintain your length. All right, so I'm about halfway done here. I did decide to take a break at this point, and I did a little bit more off camera, and then I woke up. I went to sleep because my fingers were killing me, and I woke up the next morning to finish this section. This section was, I would say, about 25 to 30 more braids, believe it or not. Like I said, guys, it takes a long time, but it's worth it, trust me. I'll probably be leaving this hairstyle in for a good 2.5 to 3 months. Just refreshing the edges and the back squares just to make sure it still looks nice and neat. And also, of course, washing and keeping my scalp clean. So I am finally on the last braid. I am super excited about that, even though you can't tell in my facial expressions. My fingers were just really tired. So guys, here's the finished look. I'm super excited with how they came out, super happy and satisfied. This was actually about a week and a half later that I'm showing you the finished look. I didn't get to do it on the day of, but I'm actually really feeling these mini braids. I think they came out really cute. So guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.